Brandy, why you are in our bedroom? Huh? Why you want to be here with us? Because you know already, right? Right, girl? Ay, nako. Gusto niyang matulog kasama kami. Yeah? You understand? You understand, girl? Oh, she's best friend. Is that your best friend, Chad? Oh, man. Good night. Good night, girl.